We're back unboxing 25 pounds of crystals from India. These are the ones that I bought when I was, and I totally wasn't thinking about it. We got 2 cameras rolling. Let's open them up. So Gigi actually opened the first one already. This is a pink Himalaya quartz that she opened up. So we bought these from a seller that I found like almost 2 years ago, who we bought a couple of these boxes from. They were selling just like a really good deal. Sorry if you're hearing the street, we're right up against the wall. They were doing really good deals on these boxes for wholesalers, and unfortunately this person has since passed, so we can't get access to this mine anymore, and these are really beautiful crystals, so it's in his memory. I'm holding them over the box over here because they are quite heavy and I don't want to drop one and then it'd be dramatic, but ooh, this one, see, these are so stunning. This is insane. Like, I think it stands. Let's test it. Yeah, it stands flat. Stunning. Are you kidding? Wow. It's okay, you can. I'll start putting them up here. Like, and it stands. It's the 2 cameras for me. I need to figure out either where, oh, I know what this is, where my other actual camera is, or just buy a new one. I think it's, no, after we moved, I couldn't find it.
No, it's not here.
We looked around here for a while, I think. I found my camera case. It was empty. Ooh, I have another one like this from the same seller. These are really, really cool. I'm actually gonna leave this in the bag because I feel like whoever we sell this to would appreciate it. It's like a cave. I feel like my dad really. Some of them are like white balls and then the other ones are fuzzy. The whole inside is like a fuzzy, slight yellow. It's insane. Anyways, what the heck? Man, we got all of our beautiful amethyst flats. Oh my God. See, the more I'm thinking about the smoky quartz flats from that person, they were such an amazing person and seller, truly. Making it genuinely, huh? Amethyst. The amethyst, literally. Oh.
Oh my God.
My God.
That's really pretty.
Who is she? Well, so these are the Z lights, right? And it's so pretty that she's standing up. Yeah. So these boxes were sold to us as Z lights, and then from there we had, or Z lotes. From there we have like a PDF that we can go about finding out who these are. They're beautiful. Blue Chalcedony, I guess a lot of these were, but I don't think that's what these gummier pieces are on the top. We will figure that out. If I have enough time, we can overlay it. I probably won't. But also I was gonna say, these are all statement pieces that we don't have on the website now, but if you see any that you are interested in, screenshot and then give us an email and we can figure that out for you. They'll go on the website eventually, but oh my gosh, this one's like flat. Ooh, okay, wait. There's so much going on downtown right now. Oh wow, this looks like a fuzzy, oh wow, what the heck is this? She looks fuzzy. Like pink, light purple, peach colored. This is stunning. I'm gonna put this back in here because I feel like the texture needs to be protected. So I'm gonna wrap her back. What the heck? This is, okay. This one's scaring me. The way I'm opening it is scary, actually. Ooh, we have one of these, so pretty. We have it, I think it's in my laundry room. These are so cool. It's like teeny, beautiful little, they're all super shiny. It's just a really gloomy day this morning. Look how beautiful. I know that this one stands too. Let me put this down. I'm being quiet for this. I don't have too much to say. I'm just like literally so excited to see that. I feel like last time I was screaming and yelling. So much going on right now. Oh my gosh, wow. This is pretty. What's happening? The police are pulling up. Flat, like slab, almost coffin shape. Stunning. This is insane. Oh, there's someone just yelling. Them. There's tea happening. He's screaming, "I'll hit you, mother effer." I don't know what his problem is.
There's always something happening.
No, truly. He just flipped him off. Well, he's got like coffee and stuff. What's his problem? He's yelling at that dude's face. Dude, don't pull up right in the middle of us trying to watch.
I'm trying to watch the team.
Permission. We took off, the last crystal that we took off was this beautiful flat piece. This one I don't believe would stand up, but it would be really beautiful on a stand and could lay flat as a beautiful, beautiful statement piece. Have a few more to go. The block is hot today. Like, this one looks a little beat up. She has some, well, I guess it's just like one or two broken pieces, but these are pretty raw, dudes. Beautiful. Beautiful, like stunning, show-stopping. I wish the sun was brighter right now so you could see them glistening. Because girl, coral, I mean.
Oh yeah.
This is big.
I like the way that you could like sip that one too.
Yeah, light it. This would be like with a little jewelry or something. It would be so pretty. I don't know how you would dust this. Yeah. Beautiful. And it's like a slight blue tint, like a ashy blue, little bit of blue tint.
Is that one pink Himalayan quartz too down there?
I think it's mixed for sure because there's pink, but then there's like definitely some normal, like whatever, white gummy quartz. Just some pretty, this one I think's my favorite. This one, that one. I'm not trying to pick favorites like that. Yeah, I'm not trying to do that, but a smaller dude, let's see what she's up to, what she's all about. Ooh. Put this down because it's getting scary. There's a little piece that's off. Cute. This is beautiful. Wow. The pink. Stop. And they all have the Product of India stickers on the back too. Show-stopping, truly. I feel like it's a casual unboxing. Low spoon unboxing. Doing this one down here too because like I said, I'm just scared to drop these. They're so pretty, they're very heavy, and I have weak wrists. I'm not trying to do that at all. Wow. Yeah, oh, this is so cute. This would be so beautiful on a stand. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I feel like my dad would really like that one. He loves a blue stone. Same. It's cool. Until we discover like the ocean and like because I really do think the aliens are like vanishing into the ocean, right? What's going on about that? Comes in today because there's been so much new alien stuff.
Yeah.
Like so much.
Did you go with the alien in Australia?
No.
There's like
No. I don't need to deal with no. Look.
I wanna live in there.
Right? Like this is truly like the most beautiful like baby cathedral. Oh, and there's like a little throne and everything.
If I was a little fairy, that's where I would.
Better, like, oh my God. Wow. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. She stand up, let's see. She doesn't entirely stand up on her own, but I think it could if you had like a legitimate stand. Oh, there's a puppy visiting. There's two more left. Running out of room to put crystals. Oh. Last two. They're pretty heavy. I feel like I'm like leaning back to pick these up. What is going on? And it's spiky. Like this is like a spiky, it's heavy. This is a heavy crystal. And the bottom's beautiful. They finished it for you guys. Girl. What in the world? This last one, another big one. Oh my gosh. I do appreciate that they use this much bubble wrap, and then we'll keep the bubble wrap so when we ship it, we can reuse it. We have a ton. They wrapped it really, really well. All of them were beautifully taken care of, especially because they came from India, then to Arizona, and then here to San Diego. Wow, this one stands up too. This is stunning. Yeah, this haul was iconic, incredible, show-stopping. Let's put this down. That was all the stunning crystals that we opened up. I think we have like one more box of these that we haven't opened from the seller, and then that'll be the rest. So it's insane. Extremely grateful to have found this person. He's iconic. Insanity.